Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So let's do the price action analysis. I'll also take you over some other semiconductors like AMD, ARM, very high level SMCI, Broadcom and Micron. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Please also remember before we go further that none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Alright, so guys, if you remember, there was a glitch on TradingView that was showing that a huge wick up on the yesterday's price. That is gone. It is coming in and going out. It's on and off. I'm still seeing sometimes that glitch would show up, but the average range is, that's the thing, right? It has fixed visibly from TradingView. It's the glitch on their side, but the data is still catching on to that value. So they haven't really fully fixed it, but they are in the process. We'll see how long until they fixes it. But if you go to different time frame, it's on and off as I said, but the average range shows up fine. But if you have my indicator, it's for you. Yeah. But anyways, just want to let you know because as a member, I know you are watching these videos as well. So just please keep that in mind. All right. So let's jump into technicals and let's talk about it. So Nvidia. Well, starting off from the daily interval, what are we seeing? We are still bullish. The pattern, the structure is still bullish. These are the ladder steps. Nvidia is still in that top ladder step. There is no structure break to the downside right now. All right, this is the level 115.89 cents. Even though above this we are still bullish, I will show you a couple of things on lower time frame that may bring some early weakness into confirmation that you may not have to wait for 115, but just remember that will just be some cool offs or intraday shorts that won't be like fully bearish. We still have 20 days moving average support coming from underneath. So but anyways, let's go to the hourly interval because what I want to show you is the in the morning when I did Nvidia video, and just give me a second, let me adjust something here as well on my indicator. All right, so and in the morning guys, so the video when I did, I told you that watch this level $118 to $119. If any bounce has to come on intraday to the upside, that would come right around this area, and you can see the lower time frame the consolidations happening, and then with that the confirmation would be the rebound. So we got that rebound right in that area. So again, if you have seen my morning video, you already know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen, you can go and check it out. It's on my channel. And so yeah, we got that rebound over here. But now let's talk further from here. Are we like full on bullish though? Not quite yet on intraday. Okay, not even that. So what do I mean by that? Well, technically we haven't taken out the recent supply zone, and we are still below that level of deciding shall we continue intraday bullish or we gonna stay lower. So, and that is this blue box that I have drawn also in the morning video. 121 and 50 cents to almost $122. As long as we are below this box, all right. Intraday, we are still looking weaker, but that's the thing. You have to see tomorrow if we resist here, then intraday short may come. Anything above this blue box, 121 and 40 cents almost to 121.88 cents. Above this, we are just bullish and can continue higher. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy intraday, and that's all what I want to cover actually on Nvidia in this video. I don't want to make it complicated, it's simple. And to show you on 5 minutes interval, right, I told you that watch that level of 118 and 119. You saw this consolidation at that area, a support formation, and getting above that level was then just kept going higher and higher. So yeah, that was the area to watch for intraday play. That's what I talked about in the morning video. All right, guys. So yes, Nvidia all in all structure is still bullish, but oh wait, one more thing I want to talk about is as I said that $115 is the level you have to watch, right? Above that we are still bullish, but I would also say that guys, if at this time we lose the level of 118 and 50 cents almost zone, and we close a day below that, then some weakness ahead of 115 can also come. but 200 hours moving average, there's most likely going to give it a support. Right now, any downside on this is just a buy in my opinion. So Nvidia, in other words, guys, is still bullish. Structure is still bullish. Intraday, I provided you the zone. Below it, it's intraday short. Above that, intraday long, the blue box. And otherwise, all in all, the structure is though still bullish. Intraday can be traded either way, as for what I talked about just now. Easy peasy, not complicated, right? Yep. So that's Nvidia, guys. Let's take a look at that. VIC has shown up again. Yeah, there's this glitch on trading view, on and off, ongoing. Well, all right, AMD. So AMD, as I have talked about in the morning as well, I have my short play on this. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep holding it, guys. I'm targeting levels per levels to the downside. I have 80% short position remaining on this. I did take some partial profits out today, as I talked about in the morning, because I was like, hey, just a little bit take out, right? I just wanted to take opportunity of that. But yeah, I expect this thing to continue lower. ARM, as I have been saying, we are bullish. There is no structure break to the downside, and even now there is no structure break to the downside. Yes, we are seeing some sell-off up on the top, where right at that place of the supply zone. But is this weak enough? Has it made ARM weak enough that we're gonna sell off? Not quite so. So let's go to the hourly interval. Structure is still bullish on ARM, and even above the level of 142 and 10 cents, we are still bullish. This is another level, 140 and 87 cents. Above this, we are still bullish. Right now, I'm not seeing any structure break. It has to first go through some consolidation, and then we can see if some cool off comes. But right now, I'm not seeing any of that. Pullback for a day or so are just a buy, in my opinion. Broadcom continuing all-time highs. Well, look, going into the earnings, all right, it's already 1473 post-market, already higher up, and they have their earnings tomorrow. So look, it all comes down to this. Earnings will define everything on Broadcom. Either it's going to shoot up or fall. But yeah, right now, as of right now, structure is still bullish on this thing. Let's see if structure change happens post earnings. SMCI, I don't have any short position open on this, but looks like it's going to go through another flush. Look, here's the thing. At this point, if SMCI breaks 762 almost dollars, it can flush lower. Otherwise, if we take out this red body again and start going up, then this may continue higher. Simple. Micron, yeah, structure is still bullish, guys. Not seeing any downside on this. Yeah, break of structure would be if we break below 130 from where it is right now without going further up, but not seeing any of that so far. SoundHound AI, I have a short play on this. I still have 70% position remaining on this. And yeah, let's see. I'm waiting for this flush. If we break below $4.60, then there's a flush opportunity here. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. And most importantly, we're going to talk about Nvidia. I have done a video on QQ and SPY and then other tech stocks, also Tesla and everything on my channel. If you're interested, check those out. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.